Welcome to our channel. In this informative video, we will show you how to repost on Instagram using reposting app. So reposting content on Instagram using a reposting app is a simple and straightforward process. First, you have to download a reposting app from your device app store. So there is a multiple of app store, that is Play Store, Android App Store, App Gallery. So we use APK Pure, which is normally available. So search for Nst Pro, which is the download reposting app. So click on search for the reposting app Nst Pro. So search for it. So you see at the second number, video downloader for Instagram. So click on it. I already download this app, therefore I see an open app option. This is the reposting app. So click on the open to show the name video downloader for Instagram. So open it. So through this app we will repost our Instagram post. So first we will go to our Instagram app to select any of the random post. So choose your post which you want to repost. So I select this one, click on the three dot and then click on the share button. Now you see the option Nsmet, which is the Instagram video downloader for Instagram. It is checking your URL. So to check it, click on the download button at the top right. You see that one. So now there is a two-way to repost. If you click on the only share button, you will be only able to share it as a story. So you see that the only option is the story option. So if you want to repost on other else, so click on the reposting symbol. You see all the three options. So click on a feed. I want to share it as a feeds. So then click on the next. Once you click on the next, you will move to the next step. So here is the option to add your caption. So I add my caption is to subscribe my channel. So then click on the share and your video will be reposted. So wait for the video to reposting. In this gap you subscribe our channel if you are the new user, and like our page if it is informative for you. So click on. So this is the way through which you reposting using the reposting app. So the video is finishing up the uploading. So go to your profile to check it. Refresh your profile. It may take few seconds to show on your profile after finishing up. So wait for a few seconds. So this is the video which we are reposting, and this is a very straightforward way. Thanks for watching.